Hey everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory, and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching. This week's super cool fold is from my good friends at Johnsburn of Niles, Illinois. They did the structural design and production on this piece for client Barclays Bank. This is a customer acquisition campaign, credit card campaign, and this is targeted. This one in particular is for Steelers fans. They also did a version for Eagles fans. As I said, folded self-mailer. Here's the mailing panel on the back, so fold on the bottom. Here's the cover, and it says "We're back." It's got the logo, the Steelers logo on the front. And when it opens up, it says the only credit card for true Steelers fans. It's all done in Steelers colors. It's got the Steelers crowd, so definitely all customized for this particular team. And then it opens up like this. And out pops this credit card that's branded to Steelers. You've got the end zone here. I love that. This is a really great little interactive pop-up. If you want to see a standalone mailer version of just this format, check out episode 491. And then on this side, it has a Steelers schedule. So this is actually glued down here, and then there's a perf here, and you tear that off and keep it. So it's got a keepsake and a pop-up interactive element here, and then of course all the information here. So I want to show you guys, they were kind enough to send me two so that I could tear one apart for you, and I really want to show you how this works quickly here. So this opens up like this, you can see. So there's a little diagonal score right here, obviously custom die cut going on. There is a score, two scores here, one score here, and so the way this works is this tucks in, and then it folds over. And you can see here that there's a white kind of glue area here and then a glue area here. And what happens is when this folds in, this tab glues to this spot here. And then when it's glued down, that's how it activates the pop-up, because that's held down and you kind of activate the scores, if that makes sense. And then over here, this is not normally this floppy. I accidentally tore it off when I was tearing this apart. But you can see here that this is just a glue area, and then this is a perf. And normally wouldn't flop. This just folds over like this and glues, and then people can tear it off. So technically this is a modified kind of T-cross version. So it creates a T shape if you watch Fold of the Week. So okay, these were printed 4-color process, sheet fed with a flood gloss aqueous coating. These were on 12-point C2S, and then these were die score perf machine fold and glue on folder gluers. And so they did about 50,000 of these. So very, very cool. I hope you like it. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week. T-cross mailer with integrated pop-up. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. Viewers, please send me your folds. If I use them, I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded samples, dialogues, and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.